everyone, this is Cindy Crying the Heart, and I'm back with another Destash. This is sort of like leftovers. I sort of added a couple new things, combined some things. Shipping has gone up and is outrageous. So a lot of what I sold, I mean, it was like $10 to ship, even a little bit of stuff. So I don't know what's happening, but you know, anyway. So the first one is going to be this lot right here, which is a brand new Sizzix lot. It's never even been opened, as far as I know. I haven't opened it. So it's this first one, which is by Olivia Rose, and it's 11 dies by Sizzix Thinlits. And this one is called Christmas Joy. And then this one right here is brand new as well. And it's called Festive Elements. And another brand new one. It's by Jenna R. And it's 8 dies. And it's called Snow Dome. And then this one, it is 15 dies. This thing is totally in my way. And I don't know why it's like that. And this one's called Home for Christmas. And it is, these are all brand new, never been used. Like fabulous condition because they're never been used. And this is going to be number 1. And it is $40. All right. Keep track. Okay. $40. And then I have this lot right here. And so this one includes this stamp by Stamp Market. It is brand new. This is how it came, actually. It's called Bloomed. And I don't even think I've used this one. So there's that. This one I've used is called Just Flowers, and it includes the dies. And then this one, which is brand new, never been used, never been even opened. It's called, I think it's called Happiest of Birthdays. I think that's what's called, Happiest of Birthdays. And then I have these dies that go with it, Happiest of Birthdays dies. So I got the matching dies. And then I got this swatch one called Color Me Happy. That's brand new. And then I have some brand new waffle flour. So I have this one, which is the We Blend. Includes the dies. And it's just all in this little package. And then this one right here is called Christmas Tree. So this one's never been used as well. And it comes with the matching die. And then this one is called Lilac Dreams. Also comes with the die, and I'm also going to include the word die love. And so that is going to be lot number 2, and it's going to be $40. So this is lot number 2, and it's $40. There's that. And then to the side, I've got this slot right here. So this, I combined some things. So this is what you get now. Okay, so you're going to get this brand new Tailored Expressions Ring Around the World die. So this was a free with $100 purchase. You can't buy these right now. They're exclusive. I think for a while, then they re-release some of their exclusives. Not always all of them, I think. Really cool die, brand new. I just got 2 of them because I bought 2 orders of $100 and they gave me 2 dies. So Ring Around the World words, and then I have some Trinity stamps. So there's this one right here, which is it's upside down, this package. I think it's called I think I put this on like backwards or something because it's like hard to see. It's called Sending You Love and Happy Thoughts. So There's that one. And there's this one. It comes with 2 stamps. It comes with the Bear Tree, which I don't think I've used, and the Smitten Mitten. And then it comes with the dies for both. They're in here. And then this one, I don't think I've used this one either. It's called Seasonings Greetings, and it comes with the dies. And then I have this brand new Cat's Pajamas. They are no longer in business for, I think they just do digital now. So this one, Life is a Beach. And then I have this one, which is, I'm not sure of the name of this one, but there's that one. And then we have this one, which I don't think I've used this one. And this Cutie Pie one right here. Okay. So this one, right, this lot right here is number 3. And it is $32. Okay, and then I've got this one right here, which I am still leaving at $30. It's going to be number 4. And so this one is the bee kit. I just happen to have 2 of them, and it's never been used. So you get the complete kit, which is the hexagon dies, the beehive, the little honey thingy, and you get the girl bee, which I've done some stamps, I think, with her, some projects. You get the little bees right here, and you get the sentiments, and I love it. It's one of my favorite ones. That's why I probably bought it twice, because I thought, I mean, I subscribed and got one, and then you can buy another one later on. I ended up buying another one because I couldn't find it. So there you go. So it's $30 because it's got, I mean, the stamps alone are like $25, and then, you know, it's supposed to be like equivalent of like $80 or something like that. So plus shipping. That includes shipping. So remember, all the prices include shipping. I'm going to put this down, and then I'm going to do my last box, and we'll see, you know, how much stuff fits in this box. Okay, so let's see for the box. Box. Let's me back. So the box that I'm going to do, it's flat rate. So I don't know how much flat rate is now, but so this is going to be number 5. And let's get into it. So I'm going to take out some stuff, and we'll see what we can do. Whoa. There is some stuff in here. Stuff. Okay, get all the things. There's some stuff I'm just going to keep hidden in here because why not? It'll be a surprise for you. Okay. All right. So. Okay. So. Let's see how much stuff we can fit in here. Okay. So the first thing that's in here is the open book. It is a lot of open book, but not all of it because I did use some of it, but quite a bit of open book is in here from Maggie House. And you can't find that anywhere, so, you know, you get the paper. Sorry, I gotta try to make sure everything fits in here. There's some stuff I left in here, so we'll see how that goes. All right, so there's that. And then you get this scrapbook kit, which is this baseball one. And then you get this stamp set. I just have 2 of them. Let's see. You get this die, which was a free gift. It's called To the Point Dies. And then this stamp set, which was an exclusive. I think they re-released it out there in the world. It's called Bold Branches. And then let's see here. Let's do some paper. Whatever fits. I'm going to try to fit as much of this stuff as possible. Okay, so we've got Simple Stories. I might have used a couple sheets out of this one. This one, which is Christmas Wishes, I did not use any of that at all by Remnants. And then we have Simple Stories. Homespun, I did not use that. Hearts and Dots, I used a little bit of this. Razzle Dazzle, I used none of that. It's sealed. And this one, which is Christmas Pack, never used. This one, which is 49 Market, never opened. And then this one, which is the Doodle Bug, Great Outdoors, never used. Some of these I just bought duplicates, or I'm just trying to clean it out because I just have too much paper and I'm just not going to get to it. And I just feel like I gotta streamline my circumstances. Okay. Then, we'll do these. So I've got all of these stamps. I've got this one. I have this one and the dies. I've got this one and dies. Your Super, no dies. I've got this one and this one and this one and this one, and some dies, and this one, and this one, and this die. Okay, this die, and then we got this cherry kit. It's from, I forget where. Anyway, it's a little kit. And then we're going to do these cards and envelopes, the snap thing. Okay, so then we got this brand new, this. And that's the stuff that's going to take up some space. So I'm trying to make it all fit. Okay. And then let's see what else can fit in here. Then we've got these paper pads, Christmas Matte Stack and Christmas Glitter Stack. I just have so much stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, that closes. Okay, and then I don't think this will fit. I'm going to try to make it fit. Bow making kit. It has extra things to make the bows. It has the kit in here. I'm going to try to make it fit. If it can't fit, I'm going to have to take it out. So fingers crossed that it can fit because this box is so packed. Okay, there's that will fit like that. Okay, so, you gotta be careful because if your box is misshapen, they won't do it. So I'm not gonna, so if you want the bow kit in your box, I'm gonna have to take it out. Okay, so if you want it, that's fine, but I'm gonna have to take it out in order to make it fit. Just so you know. So we can do it, but it's going to have to, you know, anyway. Let me know. That's number 5, and that box is $40. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is a new crave hunt.